Assalamu alaikum and Shubhecha for other communities. Dear learners, welcome to my English second paper class. Dear learners, I am Mohammad Abdul Hamid, assistant teacher, Siddhi High School, Fulbari, Dinajpur. I will discuss from English second paper today. Dear learners, there is a thing should be mentioned. Many of you requested me in your comments to use Bangla in my class. Dear learners, I have taken part in several training programs. In my training programs, our honorable trainers told us to deal any English class in English, and there is a guideline from our government to use English in our English class. So, dear learners, I think if I deal the class in English, it will help you to develop to improve your listening skills. At the same time, it will be inspiration for you or encouragement for you to speak English. That means it will help you to develop your listening skill and your speaking skill. Okay, dear learners, in our previous class we discussed about simple and complex sentence, and today I will discuss the complex sentence, simple sentence again, and I will add the compound sentence today. Dear learners, I am writing something on the board. Look at the board and try to write down the sentences in your exercise book. Dear learners, have you taken your exercise book and pen with you? Okay, it should be taken. Dear learners, I am writing some sentences here. The man is honest. Dear learners, can you say what kind of sentence is it? Simple, complex or compound? Of course your answer will be this is a simple sentence. Why is it a simple sentence? Dear learners, I said it in our previous class while discussing about or on simple sentences. If a sentence has only one field verb, the sentence is simple sentence. Dear learners, বাংলায় যদি বলি যে এখানে কতটা এই সেন্টেন্সটিতে কতটা ফিল্ড ভার্ব আছে, অবশ্যই তোমাদের উত্তরটা আসবে যে একটি। যদি একটি সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে একটি মাত্র ফিল্ড ভার্ব থাকে তাহলে এটাকে আমরা সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স বলি। There may be one or more non-field verb, that's not a matter. Dear learners, that's not a matter, but it will depend on only the number of field verb or verbs, whether it is simple, complex or compound sentence or not. Okay, it is a technique, easy technique to identify any complex compound or simple sentence, we have to find out or see how many field verb or verbs are there in the sentence. If there is one field verb, this is simple sentence. If there are two or more field verbs, these are not simple sentence. Okay, dear learners, I will write another sentence here. Dear learners, look at the sentence and try to remember that what kind of sentence is it. Dear learners, there are how many field verbs are there in this sentence? Can you say? Of course, you can say, I think you know, there are two field verbs in this sentence. Is the sentence a simple sentence, dear learners? Of course no. The character or characteristic of a simple sentence is that the sentence will have only one field verb. That means a simple sentence always contains only one field verb. Okay, dear learners, as there are two field verbs, that means there are two clauses here. One is the boy studies well. Another is so that he can get GPA 5. There are two clauses. One is main clause and another is subordinate clause. Main clause and another is subordinate clause. Dear learners, in Bangla এই বাক্যটিতে দুটি অংশ আছে, প্রতিটি অংশে একটি করে ফিল্ড ভার্ব আছে। মূলত এই সেন্টেন্সটি একটি বড় সেন্টেন্স, দ্যাট মিন্স লার্জার সেন্টেন্স। সুতরাং এই সেন্টেন্সটি অবশ্যই সেন্টেন্সটিতে দুটি ফিল্ড ভার্ব থাকার কারণে এটাকে আমরা সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স বলতে পারবো না। অবশ্যই দুটি ফিল্ড ভার্ব আছে মানে এখানে মনে করতে হবে যে এখানে দুটি ক্লোজ আছে। একটি দেখতেছি, একটি হলো মেইন ক্লোজ আর অন্যটি হচ্ছে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লোজ। একটি সেন্টেন্সে যদি একটি মেইন ক্লোজ এবং একটি সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লোজ থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমরা এটাকে কোন সেন্টেন্স বলবো? আমাদের পূর্বের ক্লাসে আমরা এটি নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছি। Dear learners, can you remember what kind of sentence is it? Of course, it is a complex sentence, dear learners. Dear learners, now I am going to write down another example here. The boy is poor, but he is honest. The boy is poor, but he is honest. Another example, dear learners. work hard or you will suffer in the long run. This sentence has also two parts. Work hard, you will suffer in the long run. This is also the boy is poor, he is honest. These two parts have been connected or joined by a conjunction. This is conjunction. If there are two or more parts or clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction, the sentence will be compound sentence. In Bangla, যদি দুটি কিংবা তার অধিক টু অর মোর কোঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ কোনো কোঅর্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন দিয়ে যুক্ত হয় তাহলে সেটিকে আমরা কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স বলি। Dear learners, there are two clauses. It is coordinate clause and it is also a coordinate clause. In this sentence, is also there are two coordinate clause, and this sentence has also been connected or joined by a conjunction or is also a coordinating conjunction. Dear learners, I am writing another sentence. I like Rana likes fish. Rina likes meat. And I like or eggs. Dear learners, there are three clauses in this sentence. One is Rana likes fish, the other is Rina likes meat, and the rest one is I like eggs. And these three clauses have been joined or connected by a coordinating conjunction. If any clause or clauses is are joined or connected by any coordinating conjunction, the clauses will be coordinate clause. I earlier discussed it when I discussed on classification of clauses. Of course, there are three clauses and all the clauses are independent clauses and they are named coordinate clause. Coordinate, you can see ordinate. It is also coordinate and the last part of the sentence is also a coordinate clause. Dear learners, look at the board. In this sentence, there are two clauses connected by a conjunction. Its name is coordinate conjunction. Both clauses are coordinate clause, and if two or more coordinate clauses are connected or joined by any coordinate conjunction, the name of the clauses are coordinate clause and the sentence is compound sentence. And the name of the sentence is compound sentence. All the sentences are here compound sentences, as there are two or more coordinate clauses in these sentences. Dear learners, in the second sentence there are two clauses, coordinate clauses also, and the clauses have been joined or connected by or. This is a coordinating conjunction also. And in the last sentence there are three coordinate clauses. The clauses have been joined or connected by and is another coordinating conjunction. So the definition of a coordinating compound sentence is two or more coordinate clauses are connected by coordinating conjunction are called compound sentences. Dear learners, at first you got a simple sentence, then a complex sentence, and our today's focus on compound sentence. There are three examples here. You have got three compound sentences. Dear learners, I think you have much idea about three kinds of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. Dear learners, try to remember these kinds of sentences, and next class, if I get chance, if Allah bless me, I will discuss on the transformation of three kinds of sentences. And till then, Allah Hafiz.